All right, doing inventory. This is, I think it's like a third of the Jordans that I have right here. That's all the stuff right there. And then sending this off to one of my boys. This is the Air Max 97. If you guys watch each of my videos, I got some Air Max 97. Kind of for what, 50, what was it, 55 bucks? 50, I think it was like 62 after tax or something. Super, super cheap. Oh, it's $56. Got it for hella cheap. Gonna send this off to one of the homies for retail. So hopefully I send that out tomorrow. Some of the sneakers that I wore yesterday. All right, let's get to this vlog. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Santa Clarita Clearance Center. Let's go. All right, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're new. Help a boy, press that like button. Yeah, let's go take a look. Take a look. Oh, all the address, all that stuff, description. Take a look. Let's go. All right, it's all about the heat cart, and yes, they do have the heat cart. They do got it. All right, this is their heat cart. Oh my goodness, I just got those. All right, so I did make a purchase. I tried it on and everything. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at what I got. All right, so these are size 11. And I picked them up, dude. They're in good condition. I have a size 10.5 at home that I did order from Nike.com. I'm gonna return them. dude. You know, this ended up coming out to $70. I think brand new, they were $140. So for 70 bucks, I don't need a box for 70 bucks. I really don't care. I'd rather have the shoe, save $70. I'm good with that. These look fantastic. Just look at it. Like, I just love all the different materials. The suede on here feels really good. The back panel right here, and then the front toe guard, it is all canvas material. But I just love the different colors. I love that strap in the front. Also has Zoom Air. So yeah, we're grabbing these. Oh my God, they're doing a oh, they just brought new stuff up. I saw Homer Dunks, dude. Oh my goodness. I think that's the fool that told me I can't film here either. So, all right, let's go look. All right. I'm not gonna go film there because, like I said, that's the fool that's been tripping. All right, I'm gonna take this to the car and then let's look around here. Okay, let's look around. All right, going back. I just saw one of the campers. He just went up to the front after they did their little restock. All right, let's look around the store now and see if they start tripping about me taking video. Let's go. So they do have the dunks, the Homer Dunks right there. That's a size 4. They got some dunks up top. Okay. All right, nothing too crazy yet, but man, I already got my big purchase. I'm gonna have to hurry up and return those. The one that I already got. All right, let's look around. Size 10. I was like, I recognize these. The 9er ones go for 60. That's a size 10. One of these. Pegasus 39s going for 60 already. Like a Hawaii edition or something? Or is that, I don't know. But dude, I've never even seen the 39s and they already have one here? Holy crap. How is this already here? This is like this ain't making sense. Definitely not making sense. More size 10, Tempo Next percent's going for 100 still. That's a 10.5. Infinity to Run Flyknit's going for 80. Defy All Days, the fake Monarchs going for 30. What are these? I haven't seen these. The Waffle Debuts going for 35. Alpha Next percent's going for 100. Damn, if I didn't find those other ones, I probably would pick this up. But I don't even run like that. Never mind. You know what? I'm not gonna front. I haven't ran in forever. But $100? $100 for these? Oh my goodness, that's insane. Normally $275 down to $100. Size 10.5, more of the same. Tempo Next percent. These are the Flies version. So no laces, just a strap that you pull. Zoom Terra Tigers going for 70. These Zoom poles still going for 60. Cheaper at the regular outlets. Seen those for like 15 bucks. Size 11 going for $80. Oh my God. Someone told me they found one of these here. $80 freaking for these, man. That's 50% off because these normally are $160. God, dude, these are clean. I'm such a fan of these. Wow. Kind of interesting lining. So there's a totally separate lining and then this outer portion, which is the leather portion right here. Okay, That's definitely interesting. The inside right here kind of reminds me of the Hirachi. So okay. All right, it hurts me to put it back, but I'll put it back. All right. Got a sample tag. That's usually how the samples look, and it even says sample on the left right there. Some Victory Tour golf shoes right here. $60 for those. Does have React on them. We're in the size 11. There's a size 12 though. The Comforts go for $60. It's the Comfort 11s. Came here less than a week ago. I'm trying to show you guys stuff that I didn't show you guys last time. These are some Metcons 7s, and they're Nike by you, so they're cheap as hell. $70. These are normally $140. I think they're normally like $79.89 when they're here. Nike by you, always cheap. In the size 12, got some Genomes. Air Max Genomes go for $80. That's 50% off. Pegasus Trail 3s go for $60. Some of these things right here, the Fly E's go for $60. Metcon 5s go for $60. The Metcon 7s look so much better. Yeah, plenty of these. Plenty of these. These are $40. Hirachis. These are size 11 going for $60. I'm telling you, the booty portion, the part where you actually put your feet in, that totally reminds me of the Griffies, how the Griffies were. All right. Friendly reminder, all sales are final here, so no returns, stuff like that, because it is a clearance center. Now we're in the size 13. Got Blazers going for $40. $40 for Blazers, oh my goodness. Premium Hirachis going for $60. These were normally $130. This is the is this an N7 colorway? Looks like it's a premium. Premium usually does cost like $10 more. Air tuned right here. $100 for those. Size 14. Dude got the DeSchultz right here. Jesus sandals going for $40. I was just gonna say just a bunch of basketball sneakers, but they got Metcons. These are 13 right here. Metcon 2 Sports. I got a ton of basketball sneakers. PG4s going for $50. Zoom GT BB NXTs. These going for $80. Kyrie's. Size 14 going for $60. Zoom Flyers going for $80, not bad. 15s with the Pegasus 38s going for $60. Extra orange colorway. They got Kyrie 6s going for $60. Nike Free Run Trails going for $50. I mentioned size 15, right? I think I did. And of course, tons of basketball. $50 for those. $50 for these. $60 for all the Kyries. They have a bunch of different Kyrie colorways. Those are the Kyrie 5s. Like I said, the Kyrie 6s, even the Tempo Next Percents go for $100. Got plenty for the big feet gang. Checking out the smaller sizes. Pegasus 38 Eagles colorway, going for $60. Air Max Dons with these $50 for these. Take One 3s going for $50. Jordan Access, we've seen these at a lot of outlets, not for $50 though. That's hella cheap. Some of the old school, what are these? The Pegasus 83s going for $50. That's a steal. Go Flys, these are the 8.5s. Okay. These are probably $79. I don't know for sure. Size 8, still got the Kyries here going for $60. So cheap. Man, I wish they had my size. More of these Tempo Next Percent Finest go for $100. Cycling shoes. I think they were cheaper at the regular outlets though, man. We seen these for as low as $20. They're going for $50 here. Golf shoes. The Infinity Tours go for $70. SB Zoom Verona slips. We've seen these at a bunch of different sizes. $40. They have these in multiple sizes. Damn, another colorway of these. Dang it. $100. All right, guys, man, that was the clearance store. I kind of left abruptly because I had a work call. So I kind of had to take care of that. Did not have a chance to go back, so it is what it is. But let's do a little play-by-play of that heat cart, because that heat cart was insane. Man, that was dope. First time we saw the heat cart, did see the sneakers that I ended up buying. That was a size 11. The funny thing is, like, when I first went there, they didn't have my size, so they probably had multiple sizes. Like, when I look at the picture right there, that looks like a size like 9 or something. But they also had a couple of Jordan 36s. I don't know if they were men's or kid size. It looked not so big. They had the Jordan 5s right there. Those are the green beans. I think those were like an 8.5 or something. And then down low, they did have the LeBrons. I don't remember what size they were. They have the LeBron Space Jam, and then those other LeBron lows, but we've seen those on sale a bunch of times. But those Space Jams, to be able to get those for $100, pretty dope. Remember the rules there. everything is under $100 sneakers wise. They do have clothing that does go over it, but all the sneakers under $100. And whenever they have other things, usually very well discounted, very well discounted. All right, so I left, came back because I wanted to look at the heat wall, and they had additional items. They had some new stuff. I pointed out that hey, they were doing a restock, or they were putting more stuff out. They had the Homer Dunks. Those were only a size 4. You know what I'm saying? I would have tried to figure out how to give me one of those if they were a better size. They also had those tie-dye dunks up top. They had one of them brand new 5s, the purple 5s that just came out. I didn't see what size they were. Remember, all those are under $100, so you are gonna find some pretty good freaking savings. But yeah, man, that was dope. That was dope. Definitely worth stopping by. I'm gonna try to stop by definitely more frequently. All right, guys, did grab these bad boys. These are freaking fire. I usually wear a size 10 and a half, and these are size 11, and they fit perfectly. They fit perfectly. These are freaking dope. Ended up paying what, $70 freaking dollars? 76 something after tax, so it's freaking $70 plus tax. Freaking crazy. And these look dope, dude. These look amazing. I'm not gonna lie, these are fire. So much better than the ones. And I can do a review of the ones. I did get a pair of the ones as well, the Zion ones. So let me know if you guys want to do a review. It did come with all 3 laces, and they didn't look like they were worn. They definitely did not look like they were worn. And yeah, man, $70 freaking dollars savings. As I did mention in the video, I did get a pair from Nike.com, because they did have comes in this nice shipping box. But is that shipping box worth $70? In my opinion, no. There might be some of you collectors that want the actual box for $70. I really don't care. So I'm gonna return this bad boy. I don't know if I'm gonna return it via mail, or if I'm gonna return it because I can return it via mail, or I can return it to one of the Nike outlets or one of the Nike retail shops. But yeah, it says do not open anyway, so maybe I shouldn't open it. But yeah, definitely gonna return this. Save $70. With these, the resales not crazy, so I kind of had a feeling that I might be able to find them at the clearance store or at the regular outlets later on, because people do return these bad boys. You know, possibly get that 20-30% off. But I was able to find it at the clearance store, and that's definitely just all based on luck. Really not my strategy. You just have to try to go there pretty frequently and waste gas and do all that stuff. But but definitely did get lucky. So glad to find those. Freaking fire, man. That's what keeps me addicted to the clearance store, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks for making it to the end, you guys. Told you guys a million times, so appreciate it. Can't just say thank you enough. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty coming. Man, I was out of town, and this whole weekend, and I still have plenty of videos for y'all, because you know, my goal is always to provide you guys with plenty of content. So yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. I hope I was able to hit up one of the Nike outlets out there in Oregon. We'll see.